It seems like all the little girls, and the big ones too, like these fairy headbands that you can get at the Renaissance Fair or at a party. Well, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple one out of newspaper. You're going to use one piece of newspaper and put it side to side so that you're starting at a corner. And roll the newspaper all the way, nice and tight, so you have a small band. Once you have rolled your newspaper all the way across, and you have your small band, I'm going to make it large, but as you can see, the one on my head is small. Once you've rolled it all the way around and taped it, you're going to want to twist it. Twist it gently so you don't rip the paper. It gives it a more natural look. Now you can paint this if you want, but I covered mine with ribbon and you didn't even know that there's newspaper underneath it, as you can tell. Once you've rolled your paper all the way, you want to put it around the head that it's going to be worn. Make it fit. Take it off and secure it. Once I had done that, I took different colors of curling ribbon and I started at one point and glued it down with my hot glue gun and then wrapped the ribbon over and under all the way around the hat band. As you can see, I used 3 different colors of ribbon, green, blue, and pink. When I was finished, I pulled it through the scissors and curled it. I have several different kinds of flowers on my hat band. Some of them I just made out of construction paper. Basically cutting a circle, making scallops, and then taking the point of a pencil, wrapping the construction paper flower around the pencil, putting on a little dab of hot glue right on your newspaper and sticking that on. I also used artificial flowers that I had pulled off. But you can make a very attractive one just using your construction paper flowers. The key is to have it very full and put plenty of flowers on there. Then you just see the colorful ribbon, you see the flowers, but you don't actually see the newspaper. So if you want to really delight a little girl in your life, or maybe even a big one, use one piece of newspaper, some construction paper flowers, and some curling ribbon. And there you have it, a fairy hat band.